17 and 18 are binomial squares. So if I go back and look at that other form, whenever we have a binomial squared, then our answer is going to be these trinomials with this form. I really don't look at this formula either. So I really try to just treat it like any other problem. And it's actually a hidden FOIL question. So the reason why it is a hidden FOIL question is because it's like if you have 3 squared, another way to write 3 squared is 3 times 3. If you have x squared, another way to write x squared is x times x. So here we have a binomial squared. The other way to write 3x minus 1 squared is 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1. And then this is now a FOIL question. So first times first is 9x squared, and then the outside is going to be a minus 3x, the inside is going to be a minus 3x, and the last is going to be a plus 1. So if we add those up, this will be a 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. So this will follow this format here for the binomial squares, but I think it's almost easier just to treat it like any other FOIL question. So same thing with 18. This is going to be 5x squared minus 3y and 5x squared minus 3y. So then if you FOIL it, it's going to be 25 x to the 4th minus 15 x squared y minus 15 x squared y, and I'm almost out of space, plus 9y squared. So then if I combine it, it's going to be 25 x to the 4th minus 30 x squared y plus 9y squared. And that'll be our answer.